Hi, Masayuki Yamato from Tokyo Women's Medical University back again. I hope that you are all having success in developing new strategy for the use of upcell culture dishes. For those of you who are interested, this video will give you a brief overview on creating three-dimensional tissues using cell sheets harvested from temperature-responsive culture surfaces. As you probably already know, the upcell dishes are grafted with a nanolayer of temperature-responsive polymer that alters its cell adhesion properties with simple temperature changes. Using upcell dishes, cells can be cultured to confluence, forming intact sheets that can be harvested by temperature reduction. Making three-dimensional tissues is relatively straightforward, as it can be done by layering individual cell sheets harvested from upcell dishes. After leaving the cells cultured on the upcell at room temperature for 30 minutes, detach the cell sheets using the membrane. First, scrape around the transfer membrane to separate any cells that may be attached to the edges of the dish. Next, carefully peel the membrane along with the attached cells from the upcell dish surfaces to harvest the cell sheets. Next, transfer the membrane along with cell sheet to the next upcell dish containing your culture cells. After allowing 30 minutes for cell attachment between the bilayer cell sheets, carefully harvest the membrane along with the layered cell sheets. To make triple-layer tissue constructs, press the membrane attached to two cell sheets into a third upcell dish containing cultured cells. After waiting 30 minutes for cell attachment, harvest the triple-layer cell sheets with the membrane using the same techniques as before. To transfer the cell sheets to new substrate, carefully press the membrane with the harvested cell sheets onto the new surface and allow 30 minutes for it to attach. Finally, carefully remove the membrane, leaving the layered cell sheets attached to the new substrate. If you have difficulty removing the membrane, you can add 1 ml of culture media to the cell sheet to help separate them from the transfer membrane. Because the cells are harvested along with their deposited extracellular matrix, they can rapidly form cell-to-cell junctions between the layered cell sheets. In the case of cardiomyocyte sheets, this allows for rapid electrical synchronization. When three cardiomyocyte sheets are pressed together, the three-dimensional cardiac tissue shows synchronized contractions after layering. This creates a compact cardiac tissue mass. I hope that these videos can assist you in your experiments using upcell temperature-responsive culture dishes. As always, please remember that the properties of the specific cell type you are using may have an effect on the culture and harvest from the upcell dishes. I wish you the best of luck in your experiments.